Now, public sector workers are demanding an extension of the cost of living allowance following the expiration of the previous one. Government agreed to a 15% COLA public sector workers in August last year, but the package expired in December to cushion them against the harsh economic climate. President of the Ghana Medical Association, Dr. Frank Sribo, says they don't expect the payment of the allowance this month.
Of COLA has not even been discussed, and as we speak, January, essentially COLA would not be paid because we have not agreed on the fact that COLA should be paid, because COLA was supposed to end in December. So the 15% to go off, and if we are not able to conclude, that would essentially mean that the salaries of public sector workers will see a 15% dip, and so we need to conclude.
The president of the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwifery Association, Perpetua Ofori Manfo, expect the allowance to be paid.
We are expecting is for the COLA to run until we are done with the base pay negotiations, and then the directive is given to controller to implement. Then I think we'll have some peace. But if it's taken out, I bet you there are going to be agitations all over, and I don't think we are ready for that. We are expecting that we will not see any things done in the background that will affect our bonds in terms of their reach of maturity and the payment of coupons that needs to be done. We are expecting that all those coupons will be paid as soon as they mature.
Well, meanwhile, the General Secretary of the Health Workers Union, Frank Owusu, is also urging government to implement measures that safeguard the welfare of workers.
Though from the initial stages, we made it clear that we want to look at the negotiation. I want to believe with what is going on, we may, I'm not speaking from organized labor because we have not discussed this, but I want to believe that COLA is likely to come back with the base pay negotiations. Government is owing a lot of contributions for months, and until we see all those ones being settled, pension fund managers, administrators, trustees cannot rest. We should all put our heads together, and especially trade unions, to monitor the space and see whether indeed government is going to go as he has promised.